like you just said, in the UAC, we condemn outrightly terrorism in whatever shape or form. And we know the devastating impact it has, not only on the security, but also on the development prospect of the country. Already, if we look at what is happening in the Sahel today, the whole of West Africa, the Sahel region, all those countries that are within the Sahel band, we talk about Burkina Faso, Niger, Mali, within that area where you still have Algeria and other countries, is being taken over by jihadist movement. And this jihadist movement are creating problems not only for those countries, but they are adding additional pressure to the rest of the West Coast countries. So even at the ECOWAS level, it is something that is really of concern to us. At the ECOWAS level, we have been trying, based on so many supplementary protocols, to see how we can come together to stop the spread, particularly in the Sahel region. So at this stage, what I want to assure you that Sierra Leone will continue to condemn terrorism in whatever form. We are going to use places in the United Nations Security Council, our position in the African Union, and also in the OIC, wherever we have the platform, because it is not only a scourge in Asia, but also in our neighborhood. In our neighborhood, 1 hour flight from here, 1 hour 40-minute flight from here, these countries are suffering, are under the stress of this kind of scourge. And it is taking a whole toll on this country. And if you have country that is just 1 hour 20-minute flight from here, that are in security, serious insecurity problem, definitely it's impacting us, because these are countries that have trade relationship with Sierra Leone. These are countries that are part of the West African community. These are countries where you have huge development challenges. So today, because of terrorism, these countries, 60% of their national budget are now used on security and defense, instead of building schools, building hospitals, and doing development. So this is not something that we don't know about. This is a scourge that we are familiar with, and this is a scourge that is present in the West African sub-region, and this is a scourge we have been dealing with. So like I said, this is something we are going to add our voice, to it, in whatever platform we are, in whatever space we have got. So I want to assure you that I will deliver your message also to His Excellency the President, who is out of the country. He's coming back on Sunday. I will see him on Monday. I will deliver your message. I will deliver the respect you have brought to us by sending a high-level delegation of this nature to Sierra Leone. This is a very big respect for us, and a very fine way to deliver a strong message. And we rest assured that the document you have given me and the message you have sent, it will be delivered to His Excellency the President. And we are going to sit down as a country also, and then work with the Minister of Foreign Affairs and see what further instruction and message we can send to our permanent representation, not only in the UN, but across the world, wherever they are, so that they know that we receive a delegation here. They know that this is the issue you brought to us, and this is the issue we are going to transmit to the rest of our embassies. So wherever they are, whatever interaction they do, they know that this is